Hi Vic, how's your trip?
Dude, totally awesome.
Aren't the mountains beautiful?
They are awesome. Totally awesome, dude.
Tell everybody what we're doing right now.
We're waiting for Scott. We think he might have fell and separated himself from a few pieces of his equipment up the hill there. And
Yeah, because we heard from somebody, didn't we?
yeah, we heard from a skier, a passerby, that they stopped and helped somebody that lost some of their equipment. And we asked her if he had a red jacket, but she said she really didn't pay any attention. So we are still in the dark, but on the snow.
I think I see him through the trees in the back. Like way up here. Okay? He's up there somewhere. And I was maybe going to get a video of him coming down. Oh, I think he's coming right here. He's way in the back. And he's coming. He's the one that's way in the back, meandering down. It looks like he's struggling. There he is. Come on, Scott. Here he's coming the other way. He's going the other way. Mark Molinay is right in front of him. Back and forth.